Salaam Alaikum to all the Blender lovers out there. Today I'm going to yet again tell you about 6 Blender tips and tricks that will improve your skills. This is a video for more advanced users, but if you're a beginner, you can watch anyways. Did you know you can set lights as an active camera? This is especially useful to position them. Make light the active camera by pressing Ctrl 0. Now you can place the light around in first person. Use the shortcut RR to rotate in any direction, or just lock the camera to view. Take advantage of Blender's scripting to automate certain tasks and create custom tools. You can create your own custom add-ons using scripting and even sell them for profit. I know, it is annoying to come back to a mess of purple textures in your project, but there is a way around it. You can find all the missing files. You need to go to File and Found Missing Data. Then select the folder you have your textures in, and that's it. Another camera-related trick is that you can actually press Ctrl+, whatever this thing is, and just fly around in the scene. In this mode, you can toggle gravity, zoom in and out, and position your camera just how you like it. You can fix the slowing down zoom by setting the auto depth on, but it can be irritating, so yeah. Did you know you can unwrap your UVs easier? All you need to do is to select all faces and press U, then click on Smart UV Unwrap. I like to set the angle limit by 98 degrees, but you can tweak the settings if you like.